Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a membership program with Patreon detailed guide step by step clearly. Creating a membership program with Patreon is a great way to earn income while building a community. Start by visiting the Patreon website and signing up for an account. Provide your email address and create a password. Next, verify your email to activate your account. Once logged in, click on Create on Patreon. Choose whether you want to create as an individual or as a business. Fill in your creator profile with a clear description of who you are and what you offer. Upload a profile picture and cover image that represent your brand. Now, it's time to set your membership tiers. Think about the different levels of support you want to offer. For each tier, decide on the price and benefits you'll provide. Popular benefits include exclusive content, early access, or behind-the-scenes updates. After defining your tiers, create compelling descriptions for each one. Make sure to highlight the unique perks that come with each membership level. Once your tiers are set, click Save Tiers to proceed. The next step is to customize your Patreon page. Add posts that showcase your work or give potential supporters a sneak peek of what they can expect. Consider using videos, images, or written content to engage visitors. It's also important to personalize your welcome message for new patrons. This message sets the tone for their experience and makes them feel appreciated. After customizing your page, it's time to set payment settings. Connect your bank account so that you can receive payments. Review the payment processing fees that Patreon takes for each transaction. Next, enable the payout method that works best for you. Understand the payment cycle. Patreon pays creators monthly or per created post. Once everything is set up, preview your page to ensure it looks professional. Check how your tiers and benefits display to potential patrons. Now, you can promote your Patreon page through your social media channels. Consider sharing teaser content that highlights what patrons can expect. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.